Alright, last time I was here, I filmed this train around here that was new from 2018, and there was a carrier once right here. I'm just hoping I'm not gonna step on mud because there's mud right there. Yeah, this is a new Rheem unit. 2018. This Rheem Prestige unit is always running. Here's a new train unit running right here. Oh, it just shut off. At least I got it running, so yeah. Sadly, the carrier died. Looks like Kyle's air conditioner, but yeah, I filmed that carrier once, so and all the way over here. So yeah, this is the neighborhood, our neighborhood that we just found with another HVAC heaven, I guess. I guess that's what I'm supposed to be saying, right? A lot of these are running because it's a pretty hot day. Oh, one of them's turned on actually. I think it was this one. That's a really large air conditioner. Over here is a pane actually that I filmed a while back. 2015. Alright. And we got a couple of Rheem Classic X units. God, it's a big puddle right there that I don't want to step on. So, alright, here's a couple of more units. This one looks like a pane. 2011. Comfort Star. There's like, this is the last time I came here actually. I've never filmed those units all the way over there that I just filmed right now, but at least I got a shot of it, so. Goodman running Rheem, and this one sounds really nice. Cooling mode, that's nice. Yeah, I might be guessing. And then here's the old Westinghouse air conditioner. Looks like my aunt's and uncle's neighbor's unit. 2004. And there's a York right there. Pretty screeching actually. Looks like one of Andrew's neighbor's air conditioner. That York that I'm talking about. And then we got like a bunch of lots of air conditioners. There's a Gibson over there and a Goodman. But yeah, I'm guessing these are the air conditioners in the Rheem unit that I filmed a while back. Actually, I'm not sure what to do around here, so guessing over and out.